बाहर नहीं जाना मैं नहीं जाना okay so section 4 complete the notes below write one word only for each answer conflict at work means when people fight at work they have this jealousy professional jealousy arguments and all that conflict at work means workplace in the offices and all that. Question number 31 conflict mostly consists of behaviors in the general category of behavior in the category so it is behavioral category whatever they mention general category of.
You will hear part of a lecture about conflict at work given by a business studies lecturer.
What is conflict in the workplace? Definitions vary, but I'm taking it to refer to a whole range of behaviours that the victim finds unacceptable, from minor, harmless arguments to, at the opposite extreme, physical violence. Much of this is covered by the term bullying, by which I mean one or more people behaving abusively or aggressively against another who is in a weaker position.
Much of this is covered in a term bullying. How do you spell bullying? B-U-L-L, exactly. B-U-L-L-Y-I-N-G, bullying. Okay, let's go on. Question number 32. Often a result of people wanting to prove their. Now, people wanting to prove their, something related to people. For that, they can use people's dash or dash of the people. Right? It's going to be related to that. Let's see.
Although all behaviour like this is a form of conflict, not all conflict can be described in these terms. As with all human behaviour, there are numerous reasons for it, but often it's caused by someone who feels the need to show their superiority over someone else in order to feel that they aren't at the lowest level in a hierarchy or a group of people.
So, to show their superiority with the right spelling, superiority. R-I-O. Yeah. Question number 33. Also caused by differences in dash between people. Differences in dash between people. Now, differences in what? That will be the answer. One word only.
In some cases, one person simply dislikes the other on the basis that the personality of one is in some way incompatible with that of the other person.
Personality of one is incompatible of that of the other person. So, personality between people. Difference in personality. For difference, they use the word compatibility and all that. Incompatible. Question number 34. Dash and then there is apostrophe. Can you see that? So, it's the type of conflict. Right? For example, if it is apostrophe, it means it's apostrophe S. So, dash conflict. People more concerned about own team than about company. So it's the type of this conflict. People more concerned about own team than about company. Means people are concerned about their team than the company. Okay, I play the audio and you got to find the answer. It's the type of conflict.
Some conflicts arise when people are more interested in promoting themselves and their team than in the company as a whole. These conflicts are called structural and could come about, for example, when a sales team believe.
These conflicts are called structural. So structural conflict and these conflicts, and they mentioned this very clearly, people more concerned about their own team than the organization. Question number 35. Conflict related stress can cause dash that may last for months. Cause what? Conflict related stress. Let's see.
Conflict obviously affects the individuals concerned. the situation is likely to be very stressful for victims, resulting in their absence from work, possibly for months. For the company,
resulting in their absence. Now, resulting in and cause, they have the same meaning, synonyms. So, resulting in their absence for months, which lasts for months. Absence will be the answer. Okay, now chief executive, question number 36. Many have both dash and anxiety. Now, the answer will come with anxiety. They may use the word anxiety first and then the next word, right? Or maybe first they will speak 36 answer and then they will talk about anxiety.
some interesting work with chief executives, CEOs, has uncovered some of the reasons why they may treat colleagues badly. Many CEOs combine two opposing characteristics: confidence, that is, the belief that they're capable of great achievements, with a high level of anxiety.
Confidence, and then they mentioned what is confidence, with a high level of anxiety. So confidence is the answer, and for both they use the word too. Let's go on. Question number 37. There may be conflict between people who have different. Conflict between people who have different. Now focus the word different and conflict people between people who have. For example, different opinions, different ideas and all that.
In a high-pressure work environment, such characteristics become problematic, and it's particularly difficult to tackle the situation where colleagues, managers, and board members are all trying to achieve their own visions.
All trying to achieve their own visions. So their own and different, they are the synonyms. Visions will be the answer, and plural, not singular. Question number 38. Other managers. A structure that is more dash may create a feeling of uncertainty about who staff should report to. Who staff should report to means who is my boss, right? Manager will say I'm your boss, senior manager will say I'm your boss, and all that. So a structure that is more, focus the word more and structure.
Interestingly though, a company with a more democratic business model can suffer more when uncertainty about who to report to leads to conflicting demands.
Democratic. For structure they use the word business model, and more came as it is. I play it again.
Interestingly though, a company with a more democratic business model.
A company with more democratic business model. Business model is structure, more is more, democratic is the answer. With the right spelling, of course. Question number 39. Minimizing conflict. Bosses need to try hard to gain. Gain is the main word. And bosses. For gain they can use the word achieve, get, any other word like that.
Now I'll say a little about dealing with the type of conflict that has harmful effects. Of course, the ideal is to prevent it arising in the first place. A good manager at any level will make efforts to earn the respect of the people they work with.
Yeah, earn the respect. For earn they use the word gain. See that? This is how they structure listening test. Gain and earn. Question number 40. Someone from outside the company may be given the role of. Now focus the word role of and outside the company in order to resolve conflicts.
Sometimes, of course, conflict does occur and can get out of hand. In such cases, the Human Resources Department often gets involved. However, if one of the parties in a conflict sees human resources as simply a mouthpiece for the chief executive, then an external mediator might be able to help. By talking to both sides and trying to find the truth of what's been happening, they can build a clear picture of the situation.
So, mediator, external mediator with the right spelling, mediator. Okay? All right.